In today's video, I will be taking you through a routine for daily tension and stress relief. Welcome to Happy Qi, Happy Me. My name is Nicole. We'll start off with spinal cord breathing, bending our arms. We'll look up, creating a curve in our spine, and then reversing, creating that C curve. Breathing in, looking up. Exhale, coming back to that C curve, and I'll show you from the side. Breathing in and out. Breathing in and out. And we'll do a few more of those. Keeping our spine healthy and flexible. Especially if we've been sitting all day, which a lot of us do. This is a wonderful movement. And then we can start looking to the side, coming back to the center, going the other way. So bringing a little bit of a twist into our spine, moving it a little bit differently. Again, to keep it healthy. Releasing any tension from our work day. And we'll do one more each way. And coming back to the center. Next we'll do dog wags its tail. We'll move our hips over to one side and then the other. So as if we're a little puppy that's happy to see somebody. Moving our spine differently. So we're basically incorporating different movements for our spine, keeping it healthy and flexible. Taking deep breaths at the same time. And then slowly coming back to the center. Release. See if your spine or your back feels any different to before. And then we'll do a little bit of stretching. We'll do head circles for our head area, our neck, our upper body. I'll turn around to show you. We'll bring our hands behind our back, fingers pointing down. And then we'll start circling our head going one way. Making sure that we're taking deep breaths at the same time. Again, working on any tension, releasing that, breathing into those areas. And then we'll reverse, going the other way. Again, taking deep breaths, breathing into any tension that we can feel, releasing that letting go. One more. Coming back to the center, releasing our arms. And then we'll do some shaking, just to really let go of anything that no longer serves us. We'll start by shaking our hands, shaking into our arms, our upper body, and our legs. And if you like, you can bounce into your heels. We'll take a deep breath in, sighing out. In, sighing out. Doing a few more. And one more. Coming back to center. Notice how you feel. Can you feel energy in your body? Any buzzing, tingling? We'll go into some flowing movements. We'll do opening the flow, allowing our hands to float up to about shoulder height and back down. Breathing in and out. Relaxing into this movement. This should feel effortless. And what we're doing with flowing movements, we're training our body to be more in that relaxed state, where even when we experience stress in our lives, it may not impact us quite as much. Going a little bit slower. And one last one. Bringing our hands round in front of us. We'll breathe in, allowing our hands to float up. And breathing out, allowing them to come back down. Breathing in. And out. In. And out. This one's called Buddha Holds Up the Earth. It is another one of our flowing movements that help us to come more into the present moment, to stay more relaxed in everyday life. And even just a few minutes every single day for yourself can make a big difference. It all adds up. We'll do one last one. And exhale, bringing our hands back down. We'll bring our feet together And we'll finish off with centering, one hand below, the other circles up and comes down the center. We'll swap hands, coming up, down the center. Breathing in and out, in and out. Do a few more in our own time. Sealing in all the goodness of our practice, sealing in all that we've just done for ourselves. One more with each hand. And releasing. Notice how you feel. Hopefully this has helped you to release any of the daily tension or stress. If you like this video, please give it a like and feel free to share it with your friends and family. I will see you next time. Bye.